Welcome to the Capital Monitor training module about the Queensland Bills Monitor and Acts Assented pages. The Queensland Bills Monitor tracks legislation while it is considered in the State Parliament and before it becomes law. Once a bill has passed and it has been assented by the Governor, it becomes law and it is displayed in the Acts Assented page. The Queensland Bills Monitor and Acts Assented pages are subscription-based services. They will only appear in your My Products menu if you already are a subscriber. To see the Queensland Bills Monitor and Queensland Acts Assented pages, click on the All Products menu, navigate to Queensland, and click on Cross to expand. We'll now select Queensland Bills Monitor. The current Queensland Bills Monitor offers information about legislation that has been introduced and passed since the last state election. To see bills for earlier parliamentary terms, click on the plus sign to the left of Queensland Bills Monitor. The Queensland Bills Monitor is updated after each sitting day, after tabling of committee reports and after notification of royal assent. The What's New box shows the recent progress of a bill through Parliament. If the bill you are looking for is not in the box, use the A to Z to find all the bills that start with that letter. To see more details about a specific bill, click on its name in the What's New box. Clicking on the title of the bill opens the full text of the first reading of the bill. You can read the full text of the explanatory notes tabled at the same time as the bill was introduced to Parliament by clicking on the link. The explanatory speech offers more information about the legislation. Click here to access the full text of the speech given by the member of the Legislative Council at the time they introduced this bill. The Hansard transcript is highlighted to show where the speech begins. We'll now return to the Bills Monitor page. Other information in the Bills Monitor include whether a bill was referred to a parliamentary committee. Committee reports are often tabled when Parliament is not sitting. Once the committee report has been tabled, you can access it by clicking on the link. The Queensland Bills Monitor indicates when a bill has been passed. The Queensland Bills Monitor indicates when a bill receives royal assent and becomes law. This information is highlighted in red for the month following the assent. Once an act has been assented, it is displayed in the Acts Assented page. This page shows all the acts for the current year. You can navigate this page using the alphabetical list at the top of the page, or if you prefer to search by number, click on 2013 Acts table. Clicking on the title of the Act opens the full text of the Act. The links to the right of download include information about the debate for this bill, including the text of the bill as it was introduced, explanatory notes tabled at the same time as the bill was introduced in Parliament, and the Hansard transcript of the speech by the member of the Legislative Council who introduced the legislation. That concludes the Capital Monitor training module about the Queensland Bills Monitor and Acts Assented pages.